You think money is your most valuable resource, but it's not. The real currency is time, and most people spend it like it's endless until they have none left. You sell your time for a wage. You trade your days for comfort, and in return, you get what? Another year gone, another dream postponed, another version of you lost. You were told money was your greatest asset, that the key to success was to chase more of it. But the truth is, money is infinite. Time isn't. From the moment you were born, your time started running out. Seconds became minutes. Minutes became years. And now here you are, trading your life for someone else's dream. You wake up, repeat yesterday, and call it progress. But in truth, you're running in place, watching your most precious resource vanish into routine. You spend hours working for someone else's profit, hours scrolling through other people's lives, hours numbing the discomfort of your own. You say you don't have time, but what you really don't have is clarity. Time is always there, but you're spending it wrong. The system wants your time, not your freedom. That's why they train you to exchange your hours for dollars. But here's the secret. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems. They create streams of income that flow even while they sleep. They understand this simple truth. If your money doesn't work while you rest, you'll work until you die. That's why they invest in real estate, in stocks, in businesses. Not just to get richer, but to buy back their time. The price of distraction isn't just wasted minutes. It's missed memories, forgotten dreams, and regret that arrives too late to reverse anything. Someday isn't coming. The future you're waiting for only arrives if you build it. Wealthy people compound time. While others waste hours, they plant seeds. While others watch, they build. Freedom is built in the invisible hours. And those hours? That's where passive income is born. Not from luck, from discipline, from intention. Learning a new skill half an hour a day. Saving $10 a day. Making one uncomfortable choice a day. It adds up, more than you think. But only if you're willing to spend your time on purpose. Greatness doesn't arrive suddenly. It's assembled, one quiet, unglamorous decision at a time. Each hour you save, each distraction you resist, is a foundation for freedom. Build assets that grow, not obligations that drain. One rental property, one digital product, one dividend-paying stock. Brick by brick, your income begins to separate from your effort. That's how the rich escape the grind. Maybe you can't buy your dream home yet, but you can buy a small apartment to rent it out. Maybe real estate feels out of reach, then buy gold. Own something real. Because the wealthy don't hold paper. They hold assets. Fiat is printed. Gold is earned. Time is sacred. Your job is to convert time into assets, not into stuff that rusts and rots. You don't need to be rich to respect your time. But you'll never be rich if you don't. Because the way you spend your time is the way you spend your life. If time were visible like a bank account slowly draining, would you live differently? Imagine this. You're 70 years old, and you still have to work to get by. Now ask yourself this. Would Warren Buffett trade all his billions to have your youth? Of course he would. And yet here you are, wasting it. You already own the rarest asset, time. Use it to create income that doesn't steal it back. Build systems. Start small. Stack streams of passive income until your money works harder than you ever did. Because one day, you'll want your time back. And only your investments will answer. You can start today. You can change the story. But not if you keep pretending you have forever. Time is not a tool. It is your life force. Use it well, or lose it forever. Live each day so your future self stands in awe, not in agony. Comment and subscribe if you are ready to change your life.